chalk dust, squeaky desks, and one apple on one desk placed by one absolute suck-up. School gave us all of this plus homework. Here are 8 idioms from school days. Number 1, teacher's pet. The apple, the raised hand, the volunteering. Oh, the volunteering. The teacher's pet is the favored one and everyone else has noticed. Number 2, pass with flying colors. Ships returning victorious flew every flag they had. Passing with flying colors means succeeding so thoroughly it deserves a parade. Number 3, the school of hard knocks. No tuition, no diploma. The lessons just hit you repeatedly until you learn. The school of hard knocks is education by painful experience. Number 4, play hooky. The sun is out, the classroom is not. One of these wins. Playing hooky means skipping where you are supposed to be and hoping nobody checks. Number 5, and for effort. The volcano did not erupt. The volcano, in fact, dissolved, but you built it with love, and for effort is praise for trying, not for succeeding. Number 6, learn it by heart. Not from notes, not from the book, from somewhere deeper. Learning something by heart means knowing it so completely it becomes part of you. Number 7, the 3 R's. Reading, writing, and arithmetic, only one of which actually starts with R. The 3 R's are the essential basics, spelled with confidence. Number 8, put on your thinking cap. The problem is hard. The cap is imaginary. Put it on anyway. Putting on your thinking cap means settling in to genuinely reason it out. And that is 8 idioms from school. Class dismissed. No homework, you're welcome. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.